It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Domino's Aint vegan pizza and some vegan nuggets, of course, from Domino's. I'm going to get straight into the pizza. Here is a look at it. Let's get it kind of open. Oh, I've thrown the... How many people have done that? Opened the box and the sauce falls on the floor. There we are. A garlic and herb dip, which is vegan. Here is a look at the pizza. So it's pepper, onion, vegan cheese, tomato base with, they call it soya strips. So, here's a look at it. Here are the soya strips. I think what we should do really is just grab a soya strip and take a look at it. This is what you're all here for, really. Straight into the review, as always. It's just getting better and better. Oh! It's spicy as well. People are getting better and better. These companies are getting better and better and better at replicating the real thing. This pizza cost me $6.99. Even the cheese. I used to hate vegan cheese with a vengeance. Oh, this cheese, however, it's really creamy and it kind of sticks to the inside of your mouth. I like stuff like that. My wife can't eat the yogurts, you know, with the bits in. The corners, the Muller fruit corners, or the Muller chocolate corner things where you pour the chocolate bits in to the yogurt. She thinks it's sacrilege. She can't do that type of thing, but I love it. I love the sticky, gooey. If I have an Indian takeaway, I'll put it all on my plate and I'll mix it all up together. That's how I eat food. My wife actually has it all separate, all the little pieces, you know, separate, has a little bit from each, eats it. I'll whack it all together. And I think that's why, bringing it back to this pizza, that's the reason why I like this vegan cheese. It's really gooey and sticky and just how I like things. Mix that up with the pepper, the tomato base, that classic Domino's crust. It's good. I think they've worked really hard on this, Domino's. For Veganuary, they've worked really hard on this. That's good pizza. It really is good pizza. But I tell you what I've noticed. This year, Veganuary is quite quiet. There's not much going on. Normally, Greggs are doing stuff. Domino's are doing stuff. And McDonald's and all the big fast food chains are doing stuff. I don't know whether it was the whole 2020 thing that put everybody on the back burner, but it's a really quiet veganuary. Only Domino's and, as far as I know, Subway are doing anything this year. That is so good. So good. Here's the vegan dip then. The vegan garlic and herb dip. Well, I will say there's slices here, some with little bits of soya strips as they call it, and then there's some with lots on. So I'm going to choose the one with lots on. That is really good pizza. I always enjoy the crust from Domino's. Oh, almost forgot. The pizza's that good that I've just forgotten about the dip. I don't know about you. I think I've mentioned this. I have had a vegan pizza from Domino's before, and I mentioned the vegan dip was actually better than the regular dip from Domino's. I just found the regular garlic and herb dip quite sickly, quite like, ooh, I've had enough of that quite quickly. Good pizza. Where have I put the nuggets? Ah, there. I'm looking round for the nuggets. I'm going to get into the nuggets now in a moment. That is brilliant pizza. And it's an ideal size for lunchtime. 7-inch pizza for $6.99. Daytime prices. I never go to Domino's in the night. You pay like twice the price. I always do it during the day. So good. That chick Aint pizza with the soya strips. The soya strips will never, let's grab one. The soya strips will never ever in a lifetime replicate real chicken. The succulentness of the chicken, juiciness. But do you know what? If you're a vegan, I don't think you can really complain too much with that soya strip. It's getting better and better to the point where I don't really mind. I don't really mind that it's got chicken on or it hasn't got chicken on. Vegan nuggets. Here we go then. With a garlic and herb dip. These should be pretty good. I imagine so anyway. So we got the garlic and herb dip open from the pizza, so we won't open another one. But there we are, breadcrumb. Bring it in. Breadcrumb, spices. Let's break it open for you. There you go. It certainly looks like a chicken nugget. Let's dive into it with the garlic and herb dip. Yeah. I bought these things in supermarkets before now, and I've eaten one and gone, ugh, I don't like that at all. But this, deep fried, you can taste this deep fried. Again, they're pretty nice. And I wouldn't mind, again, I'm putting my neck on the line here. As chicken nuggets go, for the first time in my life, I'm going to come out and say that I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference between a real chicken nugget and this. Oh yeah. Really tasty. Peppery, spicy, crispy, golden coated nugget. With a soya middle. Really good. Unbelievable. This, if the, gonna get me on this word now, I always have trouble saying it, the trajectory, got it. The trajectory, one of those words you have to think about before you say it. The trajectory of vegan food, if it carries on at this pace, it won't be long before it just tastes like normal food and nobody's going to know the difference. I did say just now, slightly contradictory, that I'm not sure if the chicken on the pizza will ever taste like real chicken, but as far as these nuggets go, I wouldn't mind if they cut up bits of this nugget and stuck it on the pizza. I don't know why they don't. Best nuggets I've ever had. Best vegan nuggets I've ever had. Domino's vegan nuggets, 10 out of 10. Domino's. Bit cold now, but it's even tasting pretty decent cold. Domino's vegan pizza. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Got a big crunchy onion here. Pizza gets a 9. 9 out of 10 from me. I think there's a slight improvement to be had. A slight tweak with that soya chicken strip. But they're getting blooming close. These companies are getting blooming close to almost like replicating the real deal. What a start to 2021. Eating these foods and you know, really loving them. There's always a, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to mess about. There's always a, like I was sitting in the chair earlier, thinking, oh, do I bother reviewing these Domino's vegan foods? Do I really bother with this? Pardon me, bother with this? Winter's day, it's cold. Do I get myself out of this chair and jump in the car and go and drive for a pizza? Because it's vegan. And I gotta stop with this like negative thing towards vegan food, because it's really good. It really is good, and it surprises me every time. It really does. Thanks for watching. 10 out of 10 for the nuggets, 9 out of 10 for the pizza. Thanks for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers.